The North American P-51 Mustang, known as Voodoo, ranks among the swiftest piston-powered aircraft ever constructed. Initially, this machine possessed no racing heritage whatsoever. Its existence commenced in 1944 as a conventional P-51 D-25N, a Mustang manufactured by North American Aviation at their Inglewood, California facility for the United States Army Air Forces. Its initial military identification was 44 to 73415. Following the conclusion of World War II, the fighter was reassigned to the Royal Canadian Air Force in 1951, receiving the designation Mustang Mk.4 alongside serial number 9289. Throughout its extensive operational history, the aircraft endured multiple catastrophic incidents. It experienced crashes in Richmond, Virginia during 1951, suffered another mishap in 1962, and encountered a devastating accident in 1977 at Olympia Municipal Airport in Washington State. The 1977 incident completely demolished the airframe structure and claimed 2 lives. Notwithstanding this troubled background, the Mustang underwent reconstruction and restoration in 1980 through William Spears' efforts in California. After extensive restoration operations spanning years, the aircraft achieved airborne status again in 1988 and subsequently entered the competitive air racing arena. During its initial racing period, the airplane displayed competition numbers 45 and 55 while operating under the designation Pegasus. Throughout the mid-1990s, Bob Button from Nevada acquired the aircraft, bestowing upon it the name Voodoo Chile, subsequently abbreviated to Voodoo. Under Button's stewardship, the fighter evolved into one of the most technologically sophisticated, unlimited category competitors at the Reno Air Races. The airplane captured international recognition in 1998 following a perilous event during competition. Aviator Bob Hanna experienced consciousness loss when a control surface trim mechanism malfunctioned at extreme velocity, exposing him to acceleration forces surpassing 10 times gravitational pull. The aircraft withstood the ordeal, and the development team persisted with enhancements. Throughout the 2010s, Voodoo had established itself as among the preeminent aircraft in Reno racing competition. The most accomplished aviator associated with Voodoo is Stephen Hinton Jr. piloting Voodoo. He secured the Reno Unlimited Gold Championship during 2013, 2014, and 2016. The aircraft consistently surpassed 500 miles per hour velocities, positioning it among the planet's fastest propeller-driven flying machines. Voodoo's pinnacle accomplishment materialized in 2017 during an endeavor to establish the global 3-kilometer velocity record for piston-engine aircraft. Technical specialists from Aviation Partners reconceived the wing architecture utilizing sophisticated computational fluid dynamics methodology. Carbon fiber structural enhancements optimized aerodynamic flow and minimized resistance, elevating the aircraft's critical Mach threshold from 0.72 to 0.76. The modified machine employed an extensively tuned Rolls-Royce Merlin V 12 power plant, generating approximately 3,100 horsepower, exceeding double the output of a standard wartime configuration Mustang. The record validation occurred in Idaho territory. Across 4 high-velocity passes, Voodoo attained a peak velocity of 554.69 miles per hour and secured an official averaged measurement of 531.53 miles per hour. While this performance exceeded the prevailing weight category record, it narrowly missed the legendary Rare Bear benchmark by less than 1%, the margin mandated under Fédération Aéronautique Internationale regulations. Presently, Voodoo maintains recognition as one of history's most celebrated racing Mustangs. The aircraft embodies decades of engineering advancement, reconstruction expertise, and competitive racing heritage, transforming from a wartime interceptor into a record-challenging competitor. Voodoo emerged as an emblem of piston-engine capability and the unwavering commitment of aviators and technical personnel who extended aviation technology toward ultimate performance boundaries.